Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure FaceTime is active and your Apple ID is signed in. This lets people reach you. Once done, enable the FaceTime toggle and pick the phone numbers or email addresses you want callers to use. Now open the FaceTime app or tap the video camera icon next to a contact in the Phone or Contacts app. This gets you into the call flow immediately and prepares your camera and microphone for the next steps. Next, place or join the call. Tap New FaceTime and type a name, number, or email, or pick someone from Recents. You can also answer an incoming call from the lock screen. During the call, switch between front and back cameras, mute the mic, or add participants for group FaceTime. Make sure you use Wi-Fi or a strong cellular connection because video quality depends on bandwidth, and group FaceTime needs compatible iOS versions to include everyone. To finish, tap End to hang up or leave to exit a group session. Other participants can continue. If video or audio fails, first make sure FaceTime is allowed in Settings Privacy for camera and microphone, and that the FaceTime toggle is on. If problems persist, restart your iPhone and sign out, then back into your Apple ID to refresh services. This sequence clears common glitches and restores normal FaceTime operation without losing your contacts or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.